Hello everyone, this is Deep and I welcome you to my channel Moneymakers 001. In this channel, we talk about make money online, affiliate marketing, as well as online business and and all that stuff. So today I will be teaching you how to start a podcasting business online. Yes, podcasting business. It is a great opportunity for you because most of the people today don't have time to read books or to get knowledge reading something or reading anything, but they prefer to listen because most of the people listening is very convenient. They can just go anywhere, put in their headphones and start listening to whatever they want to listen and gain knowledge from that. So this is a very good opportunity for you in the future because the future is going to be focused on the video as well as the audio. So if you start a podcasting business, then it would be a great opportunity for you to earn money in the future, as the future is going to be related to this topics audio as well as video. So today I'll be showing you a great platform where you can start your podcasting business, and do watch this video till the end so that you understand each and everything and don't have any problem. So let's start. So here we are on the platform. This platform is known as anchor.fm. Please don't skip the video or else you will miss many of the things. I am going to show you some of the very important tips in the end of this video. So this is the website. This is known as anchor.fm. Here you can this is a podcast hosting platform just like YouTube, on which you host your videos, you upload your videos. In such a way you just host your podcast on this platform. So one of the main features of this platform is that if you don't have a computer or a laptop, you can still use this platform and get your podcast out, because this is available on in the application form in Apple App Store as well as Google Play Store. So there won't be any problem to you if you want to record it from your phone. You just require two things for doing this, is that one of your earphone or your headphone which you are using on your smartphone, just plug it in the 3.5 jack and get ready busting with your podcast. Whatever skill you have, you can teach it here. If you know something about gardening, you can teach that. If you know something about pets, dogs, you can teach it on this platform. Only you have to record videos. If you know any of the skill, like for example, many people know about woodworking, many people know about cars, many people know about bikes, etc. things, whatever you know about, you can start speaking about it and upload that content as a podcast on this platform. This platform has a great distribution network and you can really earn money from this. See, this is easy to use. So this is a very easy to use tool. You can get everything here, then 100% free hosting, so no problem. It's just like YouTube, where you have to do is that you have to post your podcast here and not your videos. Then you get paid for your podcast. See, you can get if your podcast gets good amount of hearings, then you may get it monetized and you can earn a great amount of money from here. And see here, you can see here analytics and each and everything is available. All you have to do is just take action, sign up here. You have to sign up here, your full name, your email, then password. That's all what you need to start earning with this podcasting platform. And this is very easy to use and very simple. Now I will be telling you how you can start a podcasting. So here you can see there's a section of podcasting tips, so I'll be clicking it. So this is podcasting tips. So here everything has been shown to you in the form of tutorials, which are written here. See here, you can see find a podcast topic, how to find, how I podcast. Each and everything has been taught to you by podcast here. So you can see everything has been given. A guide is given, beginner guide, how I podcast, each and everything. What equipments do you require for your podcast? Everything is available here. So you can directly from here learn how to podcast and get started, because if you don't have any idea about podcasting, you can from here read these blogs and learn a lot of things about podcasting. It is a very simple to use platform. So everything is available. The platform is providing you each and everything to do. It also provides you monetization opportunities as well as many other things. Sorry, say how I podcast in conversation with Chris Spoon and Egun Can, making of this. So everything here is given, everything has been taught to you by professionals. So here everything you can read just all this stuff and get going with the podcast. You will come to know how to do it and what you have to do. And if you still have any problems, there are a lot of tutorials available on YouTube which you can check out on how to do podcasting. I am saying that you don't need to have any amount of money. It is totally free. You can start your podcasting, and if you don't have a mic, then I would recommend you can use your smartphones, headphones or earphones, which would be used for recording your audio, and it has a good quality in that. So it can be done. You can record it anywhere on your smartphone and just upload it on anchor.fm, and that's what all you require. You can earn a good amount of money from this, and this is a great platform. Many people are earning a very good amount of money with podcasting. So I hope you got value from this video, and you would press the like button if you like this video, and do subscribe if you like my channel, and stay tuned because more of the better content is coming soon. So do subscribe to this channel. I am posting videos every single day. So thank you and have a nice day. We'll see you in the next video.